Loverboy? See the baby Loverboy. Look at the baby. Look at baby Caitlin. What do you think about baby Caitlin, Loverboy? Huh? Peekaboo. Is she hiding? Pretty cute, isn't she? Yes, baby Caitlin. That's baby Caitlin with the C. Because we don't know whether it's a boy or girl, and we don't care. See you later. You like that baby? Is that baby pretty? Is it pretty cute? Is that a pretty baby? Pretty baby. Pretty cute baby. I see you. You're pretty cute too, Loverboy. Loverboy. What you doing? Is that a pretty baby? Pretty cute. Is that you? Are you pretty? Okay. You're pretty cute. See you later. Nothing. What are you doing? Look at the baby. Loverboy.